Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a massive haul. I'm going to be hauling a ton of makeup. Lots of indie brands you can only get on Instagram are now available at RileyRose.com. So I am partnering with them to do this haul. They sent me 2 big boxes of makeup, hair, and skincare. And everything you see on right now is stuff from Riley Rose. I did a festival-inspired makeup look, which is on my Instagram, so you can check it out down below to see what I used. But I'm just going to go through and show you all of this stuff. Riley Rose has an online shop as well as 10 stores nationwide, and they will be expanding. So lots of brands that you see only on Instagram you can now get at Riley Rose. Super cool. You guys know I love indie brands. I'm all about it. So when they asked me to partner to do a haul, I was like, absolutely. Now there's some stuff I've tried in here that I've personally tried and liked, and there's some new stuff that I'm really wowed by. So if you want to see all the goodies I got 2 big old boxes. I'm going to start with the makeup and then we'll go into the hair and skin. So let's go ahead and get started. So the presentation is great. I love this really kind of holographic paper that comes in your box. So I have a ton of goodies in here. I'm going to go through and we'll start with the makeup as I said and then kind of move along. Lots of different brands in here. You guys know I'm an indie girl at heart, so I can't wait to show you all the goodies I got. First up is the palette that I have on my eyes right now, and I've admittedly been wanting to try this. Now I've tried some products from Pinky Rose, but this is their Rustic Rose palette. Pinky Rose is an indie brand or an Instagram brand, so to be able to grab it on Riley Rose is really convenient. I used pretty much all mattes. I used a few from this line and then a couple down here. I have to say they blended really nicely. I didn't have any skipping. They were very light. They just didn't grab anywhere. They blended really, really softly. So I'm pretty impressed with the quality of this palette. Of course, you guys know I love pinks and oranges and yellows, and this is kind of a warm palette with a twist, so really pretty for spring and summer. So overall, I'm quite impressed with this, and I'm excited to use more of these palettes. I might have to stock the website and grab a few more just because I like the color arrangements. I think they're a little bit different than the typical neutral palette that we're seeing all over Instagram. So the next product from Pinky Rose I was really excited to get because I actually wanted to purchase these and they weren't online yet, so the fact that I could grab them at Riley Rose is super cool. These are the new Pinky Rose glitter wands, essentially dupes for the Stila Magnificent Metals or the glitter and glow eye toppers that everybody's going bananas over. So I'll definitely be trying this out in videos to come. I believe these are a little bit cheaper than the Stila one, so hopefully I enjoy that. And then there's also a gloss which I already own, but I'm not mad at it because I really love this shade. This is the Boss Gloss from Pinky Rose. The packaging is super cute, and what I can say about these glosses is they are intensely pigmented, very much almost like the Anastasia Beverly Hills, or basically just a liquid lipstick that doesn't dry down. So these are more of a comfortable kind of glossy satin finish. Very, very pretty, and this is a really nice neutral color. So yeah, if you've been following me for a while, I have spoke about their glosses before, and again, super excited to try this one out. Also got a few LA Splash Cosmetics lippies. So I'm wearing a combination of 2 right now, which is the matte in gingerbread, and then this is Afriel Gloss. So let me go ahead and swatch for you. I can say it's very comfortable. This is almost like a moussey matte. So this is the gingerbread color, nice kind of mauve-y nude shade. And then to lighten it up, I did go in with this gloss on top. The packaging of this gloss is just absolutely adorable. So here are both of the shades. This is a little bit of like a lighter mauve-y pink that you could top. And then they also did send over Queen of Heart, and this is a matte lip, I'm assuming. Look at this packaging. It's like vampy vibes, and this is a vampy color, and I just felt like with my look today I wanted to go like more neutral because I had crazy eyes going on. So here are all the shades, so super impressed with these as well. I'm gonna have to check out more of the LA Splash lippies. I feel like they have a bunch of different formulas, but I really enjoy both of these. The gloss feels really nice and comfortable, kind of similar to the Pinky Rose gloss, and this Velveteen liquid lipstick feels nice and moussey on the lips. So I was really excited to receive these 2. These are the Lemonhead Los Angeles Body and Face Glitters. We have Paradise Beef right here, which is kind of like a multi-color. It almost reminds me of like Mardi Gras. It just has like green and pink and gold in there. And then they sent over Gildabeast, which is what I have on the sides of my face and on my neck. So here are the swatches. This is Gildabeast. Look how stunning that is. This is so easy if you really don't know how to use like glitter glue, or if you're kind of new to it and you're like not wanting to mess up your foundation. You can literally just like pat this on. I patted it on with my finger, super easy. And then this is the other shade, which is like more intense. I did put a little bit down here too. These are just super convenient, and it's called the Glitter Jam for hair and body. I just slathered myself with it, and I was really excited to try these because I've seen them on Instagram and they have a really cool feed too. Lots of inspiration if you want to throw some glitter on. Also, the glitter under my eyes is from the Gypsy Shrine. This is Dark Unicorn Cosmetic Glitter to make you sparkle. So their Instagram is the Gypsy Shrine, and this is just like a beautiful kind of mixture of chunky and little smaller kind of holographic green purple shift glitters. I threw it under my eyes, and I just used a glitter glue with this one because it is loose, but I'm sure they have a lot of different colors. It looks really pretty, and it's kind of just like a nice way to make your look different and not be so boring. So they also sent over some goodies from Suva Beauty, which I have never tried, but I've eyed them very heavily. I believe they came out with some really bright matte shades a while ago, and they've expanded obviously. So this is their Suva Beauty, what is this called? Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops, and I have this shade Opulence, and this is just like a light, nice kind of champagne pink highlighter, liquid highlighter, very similar to kind of like the iconic London drops or the Cover FX drops. So really nice. This would be nice on the tops of your cheekbones or on your collarbone for summer. Also from Suva Beauty, we have these individual eyeshadows. These are really big pans. These are very creamy to the touch. They almost feel like a Morphe shimmer in the way that they swatch, really nice and buttery, or maybe like a Juvia's Place, really nice and buttery. They felt kind of wet when you touch them, and when I saw them in the pan, I knew they were going to be like super metallic and creamy. So really pretty. Let's see, this bronzy shade is called the 6, and then the kind of champagne pink shade is called Empire State. So I know I've heard great things about Suva Beauty eyeshadows, and this will be my first try for them. And they also sent over some of their Hydra FX Hydra liners. So this is the shade Scrunchy. It's like a hot pink, and I believe this is for the body. It's a Hydra liner body art, and then this is a chrome Hydra liner in rose gold, and then this is Space Panda, a matte Hydra liner cake eyeliner. So I will have to give these a go. I really will probably mostly use the white one. And they also did send over this brush, which looks so phenomenal for eyeliner. This is their 610 brush, and it is tiny. Let me see if I can get you a close-up. I mean, that would be super easy to do a winged liner if you struggle with it. So again, excited to try this out and these eyeliners. I think I've heard someone say these are really, really nice, and it's kind of a unique formula, meaning that they're like a cake eyeliner. Also, almost forgot to show you this LA Splash liquid liner. This is a glitter liner in Goblet. This is what the packaging looks like. It almost has like that Louboutin vibe. Obviously it's not Louboutin, but it has that kind of same packaging. This is a gold eyeliner, very similar to the Urban Decay eyeliners, the heavy metal eyeliners. It's just a nice, precise little kind of brush tip that you can use for your inner corner, which is how I would use it. And this is the shade Goblet, which is a nice gold that you can wear every day. So definitely want to try this as well. I love applying a little bit of liner to the inner corner or the lower lash line to make your eyes pop. They also sent over some Lime Crime. They sent over a couple of their diamond lip toppers or diamond crushers. I already own these, and also their highlight palette in opals. I already own it as well, but I really, really love the formula. I did try this, is new. This is their Summer Diamond Crush Lip Topper, and I have it on today mixed in with that gloss and that other lipstick, and this is what it looks like. Super pretty pinky red lip topper. I love this formula because you can also use it as a highlight, you can use it on the inner corner, you can use it on your lips, so very versatile. I pretty much own like all of these. I buy them every time they release, so definitely into that. If you've ever wanted to try Lime Crime, their highlighters are really nice as well. And then lastly, for makeup, they have these Gypsy Shrine. These are like body and face jewels that are already set, so you basically just stick the entire thing on your face. It just kind of makes it easy for you if you're going to a festival or if you really want to dress up. You can just pop these on. So I think this is a super cute idea, and this is that brand, the Gypsy Shrine. So now that we've gotten through the makeup, let's go ahead and jump into this huge box of hair and skincare. Moving into some hair care, I'm really excited to try this brand. This is R&Co. We have the Palm Springs Pre-Shampoo Treatment Mask. This is what it looks like, and I'm all about masks for the hair. As you know, I went through a bunch of damage, so really intrigued about this. And this is interesting. This is the Dry Shampoo Powder. This looks really interesting because it's basically just like powder in the dispenser. I wonder how, oh, okay, I literally just spritzed it out and it literally just puffs out like that. So really interested to try both of these products. I have seen this brand before and I can't remember where, and I was really intrigued. I think the packaging is super nice and kind of eye-catching. Also from the brand Bright, I've never heard of this. This is the Paint Liquid Hair Chalks. They sent over 4 different colors, and these are basically paint on colors for your hair, like temporary, if I could get the cap off. This might be fun for something that you wash out pretty quickly, and again, if you're going to Coachella or something like that, these would be super cute to use. Unfortunately, in Ohio, we don't have a Coachella. I wish. So, but yeah, these look really cool. I've got 4 different shades here. I would probably go for like the pastel purple or the blue. They also threw in some Batiste dry shampoo. You guys know I love this. I recently worked with them, and this is an essential for festival season. If you're gonna be out there sweating, you don't have time to wash your hair every day, you've got glitter in your hair, just throw some of this in and you're good to go. So absolutely love this. Could never have enough bottles of this, so this was perfect that they sent this. And if you're super brave, you could use the Strawberry Jam Full Coverage Unicorn Hair from Lime Crime. I think this is like full-on dye, and it'll tell you on the back kind of what you can achieve depending on your hair color. I will not be doing that, but I think this is super cute. I love the packaging, and I think it's fun and cool that you can dye your hair at home all different colors. You don't have to go to a salon. And they also did send this, and I've never heard of this either. This is a charcoal hair mask from that Bright brand, and it is a purifying and conditioning mask. So I'm really intrigued. Again, I love hair masks. Anything that's going to detoxify my scalp or give me some moisture and make my hair soft and not like I bleach it, I'm definitely down. They sent over these acne dots. These are acne pimple master patches, and these are just basically to help relieve your acne overnight. So definitely love those. I've tried those before. And these are the eye creams. These are Pearl eye cream packets to take on the go. And then also an aqua hydrating sheet mask. So definitely been using sheet masks more. Lately my skin's been kind of combo dry, so I'm trying to kind of combat the dryness that's kind of around my nose and on my forehead. They also sent over some shadow shields, which if you've been following me for a while, you know that I've used these a ton in my tutorials. I use tape too as well, but these are super convenient because you can kind of pop them out and catch all your fallout as well. So definitely love these. These are something that are a staple in my makeup routine, and I just think they make makeup easier if you're kind of starting out and you don't know how far to take out your eyeshadow. You can just pop these on and it'll kind of guide you. They also sent over some sunscreen from Sunbum. So this is their normal sunscreen, and this is the face stick, which I think is really convenient. If I was at the pool, I would just kind of rub this all over and be done with it, and then you can use this for the body. I have not tried this brand. To be honest, I try to stay out of the sun because I'm trying to look young for life, if you know what I'm saying, but I have heard great things about this brand. I've just never tried them. Also, to remove your makeup, I really am intrigued. This is Banila Co. This is a huge tub of makeup remover. It's called Clean It Zero. I believe this might be a Korean brand just from the packaging. Yeah, it is. I can tell on the back, but this is a huge tub. It doesn't really have a scent to it, which is nice. It would be nice on my sensitive skin, so I'm definitely intrigued to try this out, and I just think the packaging is adorable and it's massive. Last up are these kind of travel packs from Pinrose. This is a fragrance line, and I think these are so unique. These are little fragrance packs, so you can throw one in your purse or your crossbody if you don't want to carry a perfume with you, and you just kind of, it's like a perfume towelette, I think, yeah. And they have all different scents, so you can get kind of like the pack. This would be like a great gift for someone. You can try all the scents, and the packaging, look how adorable this is. So instead of carrying around like a roller ball or a fragrance or whatever, even if you're traveling, I know like taking, you know, sprays can be kind of a pain. Just throw these in your purse, and they're just like little towelettes you can wipe behind your ears or on your wrist. So I'm all about this. They have so many different scents, and I've purchased a few myself. So I'm really excited to try all of the scents, and I think this packaging is so flippin' adorable. I will use this for my makeup. So that is everything that Riley Rose sent over, and I am so excited to use more of their products. As you know, I'm an indie brand girl at heart, so to try more from Suva Beauty and Pinky Rose and LA Splash, it's really cool for me. Also, like Pinrose, that's a super cool brand. The fact that they have Korean beauty, they have all different kinds of stuff, so I'm going to be on the website surfing. You guys know I have a shopping addiction. So make sure to check out down below. I'll have a link you can shop and check out all the products, lots of indie brands. If if you've been wanting to try and you kind of wanted to get it all in one place and not make a million different orders, Riley Rose would be the place. They will also be doing a giveaway on their Instagram on April 10th, so make sure you're following them. I will put their handle right here. All of the info will be down below. Let me know down below what products stood out to you or products that you've tried or want to try. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.